This is break FL1612, first half of 2025 Topps Chrome Jumbo Hobby Case. Number 1000. I don't know what case this is. It might be like 30 something. Good luck. All hits in the middle. Love ripping jumbo. Way easier than hobby. They need to start putting snack packs in Topps Chrome though. Who's with me on that? Oh my god, I misspelled my message. Second half of this case, Droz Saturday. Apparently I can't spell tonight. Where's my garbage? Dang it. I don't feel like rolling away. Gonna go on the floor, pick it up. All right, good luck, everybody. Let's do this. Everything ships. Topps Chrome. Let's go. See if we can find something. Yamamoto, Future Stars. Nathaniel Lau, Prism. Aaron Shunk, Refractor. We got our first parallel. It is the Purple Speckle Rookie Auto, $2.99. Ryan Miller to the Angels. Going out to Billy Reyes, first auto of the break. Vladdy Power Players. Refractor, Andres Jimenez, who I believe just hit the game-winning hit today. We got Gold Wave Auto to 50. Rookie for the Diamondbacks, Gilbert Diaz. 32 of 50. Gold Wave, Gilbert Diaz Auto. Diamondbacks for Matt Colon. Space up there. See if I can zoom this a little bit. All that Julio Rodriguez, Wilson Contreras Prism, Rodriguez Refractor. And Mickey Gasper here. All three autos on one side. That's weird. Maybe we're getting some bonus here in this box. Mickey Gasper auto for Boston with the socks that are red going to Christopher Martin. Mason Wynn, Future Star. Kobe Mayo, Power Player. Ryan Jeffers, Refractor. We got All-Etch, Francisco Lindor. Prism, Vladdy Guerrero. Relvis Martinez, Refractor. We got Blue Ray Wave parallel here. Rookie Richard Fitz, Boston. What's up, Jason? Jordan Alvarez, Fortune. Jose Ramirez, Corbin Carroll. We are way overdue for Nationals. Good luck to you, sir. Second half of box number 1. Brent Rooker, Power Player. Skubal, Prism. And Sogard, Refractor. We got Peralta, $2.99 Aqua for the Brew Crew. Jacob Wilson. Matt Olson, Refractor. Bryce Terang, Future Star. Hunter Renfroe, Prism. And Gilbert Diaz, Refractor. Very weird that all the autos were on one side. Austin Wells, Chris Bassett, Refractor, Graceffo. I knew we were going to get a bonus auto. Luis Guerrero, Boston Red Sox, bonus auto. Suzuki. Get another bonus. Ryan McMahon, 150. Rockies. Aaron Judge, Fortune, and top 100. Or anniversary. Profar. And that's it for box number 1. Bonus auto in box number 1 here. I feel like I'm reaching over here. I got this new camera mount, kind of keeps me away, further away from the table. All right, let's go box number 2. Wait. And drop the packs, Thiago. Welcome, everybody. We are ripping Topps Chrome Baseball. First half of the jumbo case. All right. Good luck. Oh, redemption. Cam Smith, bang, for the Astros. Last team on the board. Rookie autograph, refractor. Astros, Jason T, let's go. Giancarlo, power player. Refractor, Josh Hader. Chris Sale, Olech, Schwarby, and Schwelly. Otani. Buyback period's over, unfortunately. Tovar, Aqua for the Rockies. Acuna, Fortune, Alcantara, Anniversary, and Julio, Refractor. Future star, Paul Skeens, not this week. Harrison Bader, Prism. Veloza, Refractor. Our first auto here in box 2 goes to the Nationals. Not the right Nationals. Andres Chaparro. Auto. PCA and Schwarby. Plus Corbin Burns on the shiny. Plus the Judge. We got radiating rookies case hit coming up to the Tigers. Jace Young. Radiating rookie short print case hit. Detroit Tigers going to Steve Phillips. Nice hit, Steve. Schoolboy there, Yelich here, and Fitz over here. Harper on the fortune. Randy Prism. John Kensey, rookie. We got Christopher Morel, 150 blue lava for the Rays. Sasaki Fortune. Cedric Mullins refractor. Skeens again. Siri Brookley refractor. One more auto, right? Coming out of here. Volpe, Reynolds, DJ. Joey Cantillo to the Guardians. Cleveland. Going to Michael. Hopefully he's a Cleveland fan at the card. Only a Cleveland fan can love. Tel Marte home run. Let's go. And the Dodgers at first L. Purple, Orelvis Martinez, Blue Jays. Tatis, Riley, Harwitz. Closes out box. Number 2, solid redemption there for Jason. Congrats, Jason, in that box. Very good. We got 2 more to go. We're halfway through only here. We're only halfway done. I hope so, Jason. Let's go. I don't think we've pulled a Topps Chrome Superfractor. We ripped a shit ton of Topps Chrome. No Superfractor yet. We're due. Let's go. All right, let's rock and roll here, boys. Box number 3. Let's go. We got Francisco Lindor, Fortune, Chaparro, and Keter Montero, shiny cards. Connor Norby is the auto here for the Miami Marlins. Bryce Harper, Clayton Kershaw. We got Jackson Chorio, Future Stars, Luis Garcia, and River Ryan. On there now, we got another case hit here. This one's to the Guardians. How about a Jose Ramirez Ultraviolet? Jose Ramirez Ultraviolet for the Guardians. Graceffa on the black and white. Otani, power player. Etch Seager, France refractor. We got River Ryan on the Aqua Wave Auto to the Dodgers, rookie to 199. Going to Brian. Fortune James Wood. Lindor, Anniversary, Marco Luciano. We got Ellie, Future Star, Soto, Prism, and Lockridge. James Wood, Rookie, Refractor. We got Javier Sonoja to 199, Rookie to the Marlins. Olech Otani, Cody Bellinger, and a Rookie Rush, Sasaki for the Dodgers. Seager, Zach Allen, and Blake Dunn. No job. Logan Driscoll is our next auto here to the Rays. Going to Alex Page, Otani, Soderstrom, and Reagans. We got Acuna, power player, and Mike Trout, Prism. Purple 250, Tyler O'Neill to the Orioles. Judge Power, Mookie Etch, Steven Refractor. Tatis power player, Leo Jimenez, and Hurston Waldrop. 3 boxes down and 1 more to go, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome in. We are ripping 2025 Topps Chrome Baseball Jumbo. First half of the case. Second half drops tomorrow, Saturday. If you want to rip more baseball, TK has Bowman Draft loaded up. He posted 2 more boxes from his case. His break is up on the group. I'll drop a link here for you guys. Make it easy for you to find it. 2 jumbos of Bowman Draft. 6 autos there in his break. He's got select up as well, but I'll let you guys go find that. I will post the link for Bowman Draft. But right now, you can click on it and go see what teams are open while I'm getting the packs open for our final box of the break here. Here we go, last box. Good luck, everyone. Gunnar Henderson starts us off on the anniversary. We got a Prism Talkman, Pedro Leon Refractor. What else? What else? What else? Auto, Eric Wagamon to the Angels for Billy. Shota Imanaga, Future Star. Refractor, Chris Sale. We got Power Player, Rushman. Prism Stevenson. Refractor, Warren. Power, Pete Alonso. Prism, Kyle Tucker. Refractor, Sonoja. Blue Refractor, Jazz Chisholm Jr. for the Yankees, 150. Vladdy Etch, Fortune Mookie Betts, Refractor, Tristan Casas. We got Nick Sogard on the rookie auto for Boston. Dylan Cruz and Dominguez plus Morel. We got half a jumbo left to go here in break number 1 of the game. Dusty packs here. All right. Let's close out strong. Let's see a super cracker. Let's get that big Nats auto for Jason here. He wants it. Let's go. Mike Burrows, $2.99. Aqua Seager and Jung-Hoo Lee. Jackson Chorio anniversary. Seth Lugo and Jake Bloss. Auto Trey Sweeney, Tigers having a good break. Caminero Future, Power Brooks Lee, Seager Refractor. All Edge, Bryce Harper, Pena Prism, and Malloy Refractor. Last stack coming up here, guys. I think we have one more hit, possibly here. Full recap coming up. Freaking Dodgers home run. Seiya Suzuki, black and white. Jordan Etch, Gunner Fortune, Skeens Refractor. We got Brooks Lee, Clase, and a Ben Rice. That's going to do it, guys, for the first half of the case here. Nice auto there for the Astros for Jason T. Some nice case hits. Excited to see what's in the second half as well. Let's recap our hits for the first half. And we'll be back tomorrow. All right, top hits of the break. Cam Smith on the rookie refractor auto. Going out to the Astros for Jason. Jose Ramirez, ultraviolet for the Guardians. Going to Michael. Sasaki, rookie rush. And the Jace Young, radiating rookies, Tigers. Yober Diaz, wave gold auto to 50 for the Diamondbacks. River Ryan, Aqua Wave Auto, 199 for the Dodgers. Ryan Miller, Purple Speckle Auto to the Angels. Trey Sweeney Auto, Luis Guerrero, Connor Norby, Mickey Gasper, Eric Wagamon, and Logan Driscoll, plus Chaparro on the autos, and Nick Sogard, plus Joey Cantillo. Blue Lava, Chris Morel, Mike Burrows, Aqua, Purple Martinez, Aqua Peralta, Blue Chisholm, Blue Fitz, Purple O'Neill, Sonoja Aqua, McMahon Blue, and Tovar on the Aqua. Have a great night, everybody. See you tomorrow.